Just a quick unboxing today. Hope Sharif doesn't mind me opening it with his knife. This thing's great. Kaimano Mangana steel. This is an American-made knife. I just save up quite a bit for it. So, let's see what we got in here. Box will look good. There we go. Make this quick. Gotta make dinner. There's the American flag. It's a Medford. Got this one E-Knives. I always write a nice note. I'll get a knife from them. E-Knives. Alright. These guys make some beautiful things. Let's see what we got in here. Certificate and everything. This one comes in a pouch instead of the hard case. Oh, look at that. It's the Marauder H. Black handle, flamed hardware. And that flamed hardware looks awesome. Flamed pocket clip. And the Vulcan blade S45EN. Man, that is cool. What an awesome finish. Baby's being fed inside. I don't know if that's coming through. But man, that's a big chunk of awesome. You know, some people have their feelings about this company, but man, they make beautiful knives. Everything just precision made. Yeah. It's gonna break in nicely. Anyway, quick video. The Marauder H. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing.